Allow me to end the search. If you do not know where to start as an affiliate marketer, it does not matter whether you do not have a clue about making money online with affiliate marketing, or blogging, or building and owning websites. Wealthy Affiliate is a platform built to help you easily learn all you need to succeed. The Wealthy Affiliate platform has since its inception received over 2 million users. The majority of people that joined had no prior experience, knowledge and skill about affiliate marketing or making money online. It is now a top platform where aspiring affiliate marketers can access high-quality keywords and be part of a large community of like-minded people who willingly share valuable information. Are ready to join this awesome platform? In order to learn, you need to dedicate time in training, asking questions, and most importantly, taking action. Create goals and make sure you stay focused on them. As a starter member, you do not need to pay cash. It is all free. Wealthy Affiliate offers you the opportunity to try out its platform before you fully commit to being a full-time member. What are the benefits you get as a free member? 10 lessons of Level 1 of the Online Entrepreneur Certification Training. 10 lessons of Phase 1 of the Affiliate Bootcamp Training. Access to 2 classrooms that evolve daily. Create 2 websites from one platform in Rubix. Access to beautiful website designs. Access to the world's only all-inclusive domain platform. Virus and malware protection. Access to the ultimate writing platform. Content structures and layouts for efficiency. 30 keyword searches using the amazing Jaaxi keyword and research platform. 30 scans find out where your website is ranking in Google, Bing and Yahoo with Jaaxi Siterank. 7 days of live and instant support. Business networking with the most successful group of internet marketers. Access to the Wealthy Affiliate program that can instantly earn you money and a recurring income stream. Premium membership. Your progress as an affiliate marketer can only be accelerated by paying up as a premium member. The annual subscription is the best if you are to make an average of what you get on the monthly payment. It is less than $1 a day. You have unlimited keyword searches, even getting access to competition information that is helpful in finding and choosing the right keywords. You get to access the weekly interactive video classes which have a segment for questions and answers. The live chat. The live chat is open for all Wealthy Affiliate members, whether starter members or premium members. You instantly get feedback on anything like business tips, inquiries, scam alerts, knowledge, or even networking. Affiliate programs incorporated within the Wealthy Affiliate platform is the Affiliate Programs Search service that makes selecting the appropriate affiliate program of your website very easy. You can easily identify the popular categories, popular keywords, trending opportunities, affiliate programs with high commissions, percentages, and the top-rated ones. The Help Center Wealthy Affiliate has site support which handles all the technical issues that you may get with your website. Feedback can be got in 5 minutes or less. Get help from the live chat, ask a question and private message.